Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share your Instagram story on mobile, updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you want to send your story to a friend or share it through another app, these simple steps will have you sharing in no time. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to use. Once you're on the home screen, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for your current story at the top. Tap on your story to open it. This will bring up your active story ready for you to view and manage. Next, look for the three dots labeled More at the bottom right corner of your story screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with extra options. From this menu, select Share. This is where you'll see different ways to share your story outside of your regular followers. After tapping Share, you'll be presented with a list of contacts and apps. Here, you can choose a specific friend from your Instagram contacts or pick another app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or even your email. Simply tap on the contact or app you want to use. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the option to either send or share. Tap this button and your story will be sent directly to the contact or shared through the app you chose. And that's it! You've just shared your Instagram story from your mobile device in a few quick steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.